Exothermic change and endothermic change. In exothermic change, energy is released during the formation of the product, and in endothermic change, energy is absorbed during the formation of the product. We can tell reactant gets converted into product and energy gets released in exothermic change. And in endothermic change, reactant absorbs energy to get converted into product. One can feel the heating effect in exothermic change and one can feel the cooling effect in endothermic change. Day-to-day life example for exothermic change is dissolution of detergent in water. If you make your hand wet and hold some amount of detergent in your hand, you can feel a mild heating sensation. Under endothermic change, dissolution of glucose in water is the famous example. Just dissolve some amount of glucose in water and hold the container. You will feel the cooling effect. Few more examples under exothermic change. Quicklime, that is calcium oxide, when dissolved in water forms calcium hydroxide, that is slakelime, plus energy gets released in the form of heat. Magnesium, when treated with oxygen, forms magnesium oxide plus energy. Burning of natural gas is also an example for exothermic change. Natural gas means methane. Burning means treating something with oxygen. When methane is made to react with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide and water. Energy which is released in this reaction will be utilized for cooking and other purposes. Respiration is also an example for exothermic change. Chemically, respiration means burning of glucose. If you observe the physical status of glucose, oxygen and carbon dioxide, that is mentioned as aqueous because we know that major component of our body is water. Since all these are happening within the body in water medium, their physical form is aqueous. When glucose reacts with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide plus water and energy. This energy, we use it to do work. Decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is also an example for exothermic change. If you have the first-hand experience of composting, just measure the temperature after 2 or 3 days. You will feel a mild heating sensation. All these 5 reactions can be more specifically called as exothermic chemical change because all these are chemical reactions, meaning one substance is getting converted into another substance. Few more examples under endothermic change. First one is the dissolution of ammonium nitrate in water, giving ammonium nitrate solution. Just like the glucose solution, here also one can sense the cooling effect. Another example is reverse of respiration, that is photosynthesis. In this case, carbon dioxide and water absorbs energy to get converted into glucose and oxygen. Careful observation reveals that first reaction is a simple dissolution reaction, hence the specific term is endothermic physical change, whereas the second reaction is a chemical reaction because one substance is getting converted into another substance. So, more specific term for the second reaction is endothermic chemical change.